Hey guys, welcome to Technovish channel. Today here I am going to solve the reflected accesses into the HTML context with the most tags and attributes blocked. What that means is sometimes reflected accesses will be blocked for all the cases like greater than symbol, less than symbol, and all the tags uh, like most tags like script, h, and everything. So some tags might they don't know like how to block it, or they don't remember to block that. So we have to find out all those strings, how to find that. This lab will show you that. Okay, so I'm just accessing the lab now. Here, let's wait for the response. I'll just pause till this lab is open because this will take some times to load. Yes, now it is opened. So what I will do now is I'll just open the view post, and yep, here what we have to do now is we have to go to go to the same script. No, sorry, what we have to do now here is we just have to go to the same here and just put image tag here. It's here. Just see whether we will get the pop-up or not. I think we will not get the pop-up. Okay, I'll just enter here and I'll just show you. You see, tags are not allowed, it is showing. So what we can do now is we can just go to the again the same page, and instead of this we can on the Bubsure intercept on, we can just put some the same tags, and we can have this, right? So we have to change here and put the greater than symbol and less than symbol, and send it to the rip intruder. After sending it to the intruder, you have to go to position. What the position will do is it will already taken these two. This is as a one parameter, and this one as another parameter to attack. So you just have to clear it and put your cursor here, and again add here, again add the another one, because it will close this. So here what we have to do, we have to add the some uh, tags here. So which tag it will take, we have to analyze that. So what I will do now is I just go to the payloads, and here is the some XSS cheat sheet. So I'm just copying this. I'll put this link in the description. Just copy the tags and go to this and paste it. So all the tags are here, around 156 tags. So this is enough, and yeah, now start the attack. See what we can get the response. Zero, request is 200. We don't need the 200 because 200 sorry, we don't need the 400 request, because the 400 is means connection is not established. So what I will do is I'll just filter this. I don't need that one, and you can see here the body tag, it will taking 200 is successful. So I will take as a body string now. just closing this. So what I can take here is I can take as a body string first, body. After that you can see here is here after body on scroll alert one, or you can take anything. Okay, so one is the parameter, another one is the like what if it is not happened, what it should do, like if it is happened also what it should do. So I will take one example. I'll take the image only. Yeah, how it will work is image tag, if source equal to 1, there is no source equal to 1, obviously everyone knows. So if it is not there, so on error function will alert the document cookie. So this is how it works. So at the same thing, if I take the body tag, body on scroll, if the body tag is there, so if I scrolled it, it should show alert 1. So if I use the on size function, then if I change the position or the change the source, then it will show again alert 1. So this is how it works. So what I will do now is I'm just going to here. So we need all these document, I mean all these format. So next I will go to intruder again. Okay, we have this body tag rest we have taken, so discard, I'm discarding this, and body. After that again dollar symbol. Yes, again I have to take the dollar symbol, sorry, and equal, not the dollar symbol, it's okay. I'll take percentage 20. Percentage 20 means it's a space. So after that we can add the symbols. If I add the symbols means it will take all the payloads, it will, I mean, attack the payloads in this place. So again equal to, I'll take 100 or any string you can take, because here it should have a string, right? Here we already seen there's one string after equal to, so you can take anything, even if it is the 100 also fine. So what I will do now is I'll just open the payloads, and again I will go here and I'll create the copy events clipboard, copy these events, so all these events will be copied, and I'm just going to here again, and I'm just clear everything, and I'm pasting the all events, and I'm just start my attack again. It will take some time to load, or like showing the status codes to complete entire payload, because we have around 115, but it's the again another request, so it will take time to load the events. So I'll pause sometimes. If I am getting the 200 request, I'll let you know. I'm just pausing now. Yes, now it is finished, and you can get the request 87 on resize as a 200. So we can use the on resize as a event payload. So what I will do is I'll just enter the body tag, and I will put the on resize alert. Let's see the response. So I think it will not show the response here. So what I will do now is I'll just close this, and I will open the target position. Sorry, I'm open the intercept, and I will put the same thing on alert function, body on resize equal to alert 1. here we have to put 20%, 20. So I'm just forwarding this request. Let's see what it will not showing now because the lab is not solved. Now we have to go to exploit server, and here also we have to use the iframe in order to complete the test. So I'm just pausing now. It is not using. Hi guys, now it's open. So what I will do here is I just put the iframe. This is the same like same URL which we are using in this search bar. We are using the same thing. This is nothing but the greater than symbol, body, and the percentage of 20 is nothing but the space on resize alert document dot cookie, again the less than symbol. This is how you can solve this. Onload this style, and we have to specify with the width. So what I will do in this case is we have to add our lab ID. This is not our lab ID. I'm again mentioning here, this is not our lab ID. Here what we are getting, right, this is our lab ID. So I'm just copying this lab ID, just copied, and I will put the lab ID here. Sorry, it's just copied. Okay, and I will copy it here. So I'm just storing this. Yes, now it is stored, and it is too slow sometimes, Sportsfigure Labs. Yes, we have stored this the same thing into the store button, and you can view the exploit. If you clicked on the deliver to the victim, exploit to the victim, then it will end your lab. Means you can solve this lab with that. It will take some time to load. Okay. See, we are getting the pop-up here. So this is, so you can get the pop-up from this, and I'm just delivering into the victim. So see, now you have solved this lab, and hope you guys are came to know how to solve this lab as well as good knowledge from this. If you guys are getting the good knowledge, please like our video and share with your friends, and also guys, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, thank you so much. If you liked our video, please subscribe us and press the bell icon. Thank you.